I have a follow-up question now. So, of course, the how difficult it was for you to learn the Microsoft Cloud like Azure, right? As you know, you have been taught through the TS40 Bootcamp AWS heavily, right? And you have been
Yeah.
given like a very small exposure on the digital ocean. So the
Yeah.
question is how difficult your journey was to transition. The reason I'm asking this question, because you know this, many of
Yeah.
the students have
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
have the tendency, learn the new tools, chasing the tools instead of like be the best in one and build the foundation,
Yes.
the
Yes.
build the essential skills and move forward.
Yeah. So when we had like classes and everything based on AWS cloud, right? So we did all of our hands-on and all of our practice, all of our deployments in AWS. But when I started working for my company, uh, I started working in AWS there a little bit, but then their management changed their decision. They said, "Oh, all of our workload will be go to the Azure cloud." So it was little bit difficult. I won't say that much difficult because I already have the foundation. Once you know one cloud, it is very easier to get those things, understand those things, how the other cloud works. I would say compared to AWS, Azure is little bit more difficult on networking perspective, but it wasn't that much tough for me, I would say, and I was also focused. So one thing is, whenever I do something, I'm focused, fully focused on this. So it wasn't that much difficult.
Okay, thank you.